Ha? Yeah, tatlo yung gloves niya. Okay. Let's go ask for...
Sit
ano? Ay, sit ka daw. Ay, sus. Pagpagin mo muna. Pagpag first. Dada will pull you na lang. Okay, sit down. Job. Me? Tulak ka. There you go.
Good job.
Wow. Look at Mama. Hi. Ay, sus.
Look at Mama.
Ah, Kuya, go. Path of life. Nakatakot pa ano yung drone dito kasi baka it's in my bag, but
Doon sa ano, dyan lang. Mamaya na, dyan lang, sa bridge.
okay, let's go. Go on the bridge, anak.
Come to the bridge. Iwan nyo na dyan.
Yung sled maiwan?
Iwan nyo dyan.
Saan ko ito lalagay?
Dito. Pasay nyo lang konti.
Okay. Ay na. Ganyan?
Ganyan.
Yeah, okay.
Oh.
Gotcha. Okay, go to Dada, nak.
Pause, pause. Kuya. Dito ka sa, ano yun? Silip ka dito sa, ano. Sige, dito ka sa akin. Dito, come here.
Go to Dada.
Come to
Okay,
Dada.
I'm coming.
Come here. You want to stay with Kuya? Yeah.
Ayan, perfect dyan dito. No, here. Bye. Ninggin mo ang tibok ng puso ko. Hananan. Ewan ko lang kung makapirate pa ako dito, ha. Doon tayo sa may ano, sa may lake. Okay, let's go to the lake. Okay, we're going to see the lake. This is my skating.
Hi guys.
Skating master.
Welcome to my vlog. Today, I'm a gangster. I'm blood.
What? And now, this is Santa. Picture down.
Santa.
Wow! Ang ganda naman dito. Putin lang, pumunta tayo dito. Okay. Tulog sana kami. Tulog lang kami maghapon. But for today's video, wow! Ang ganda! We go to Alberta. We have it here. Hi! Yo! Look at your mother! Woo! Wow! O gusto daw niya mag-snowboard. But how? How can I? Wow, yun yung doon tayo galing. Sa village. Okay, dito tayo mag-picture. Ito na. Wow. Before we fly the drone, dun kami galing. And that's gonna fly the drone.
Yeah, I think that's it.
I know. Are you helping them cleaning it? See, it's so nice here. I like it here. But it's closed because it's New Year. So, everybody is away and having holiday. Huh?
This one, I kind of run out of.
Okay.
Oh.
Shoot! You build the snowman na lang kaya, anak. Para soft pa yung snow, di ba? It's easier for you. Yeah? While waiting for them. Wah, 360 si Mami. Fishy.
This is so big.
Yes.
Where's Gregory and that and where you
They went for snowboarding. We have to wait here so we can take a video.
No, it's just a tiny rock.
Yay. Move it. It's like it's making a snow devil, not angel. Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping? Bawal daw mag-drone dito. So, Ezekiel is sleeping there.
Dito sa side, dito pa. Dito man.
Okay. I think it will not tumba there. Hindi ka pwedeng bumaba, anak eh. Ha? Hindi ka pwedeng bumaba. In the front, to the front. Whoa! Okay. Yeah! Ngik! To the wrong way ka. There. Eh, binubutasan mo kasi anak eh, see? Don't walk on it. O, see? Nagutom na, kakaantay. So, Dada, where are you?
Oh.
Happy New Year. See? Ezekiel's first time to eat this while waiting for Kuya.
Says Happy New Year.
No, it says beaver tails. Yum. Mamaya pa. We're going to the village, anak. Saan kayo banda?
Blue Mountain na mismo.
What?
Bakit ilagay mo kaya yung ano?
Hello? Kumusta?
Nakapila pa rin kayo? Hindi pa kayo nakakuha ng board? Gaano pa kayo kalayo?
Yun yung lift, anak, ah. Are you dancing? Here. Doon tayo galing doon. Yummy yan. Skaters are back. Ay, the snowboarder. Tamo yung ano na iwan ng pula-pula.
Ano mo yung buko?
Yeah.
Doon pa kami 10 years po kami.
Oo. Pero alam mo, ang daming tao doon. 400 ko naman. Pinagturudkan ko na nga. Okay lang pa. Tsaka naging enjoy ni Yuan. Mag-isa daw kayo. Bigay mo na. Happy New Year. Tag-isa kayo. Yan sa'yo. Alangan naman.
Sa ito.
Sa'yo. That's the snowboarding guy. The Yabangers. See? Wow.
Where's the gloves? Gloves, saan mo kaya ito?
Ha? Okay, kaway ka sa akin pag malapit ka na, ha, Don. Mo ako, ha, pag andun ka na, ha? Okay. Nox, galing. Galing na ni Kuya. I think that's Kuya na. This one. This? Is that Kuya?
I think my eyes.
This Kuya. There. See? That's Kuya try. Okay. You happy?
There's a big star right there.
Uh-huh.
It's big. It's big.
Mhm.
It's bigger than those small stars.
Mhm. Paikot ka pa.
There's a caterpillar.
Pararating pala. Ang dami ng makuha. What else?
It's enough.
It's enough. How many did you get, Lebsi? Enough na daw. Ilan na ko habo ba? Ilan na yan? How many?
3. Please open the door.
Yes, sir. Go back to Dada now. We're waiting. Diba? How many toys did you get?
I don't.
I think it's enough ka pa. Magbabayad na lang. Nakakita ka pa ng buhaya. Huh? Huh? Huh?
I got the balloon.
Nakaka-video siya. Lagay daw niya sa YouTube. Ganun naman na. Okay na. Kuya is still there. And Dada is waiting here.
No. Well,
Shopping. Nakabili na siya, no? Okay, let's go back to Dada na.